How to download Roblox Studio on phone. Unfortunately, Roblox Studio is designed specially for PC and Mac and is not available for mobile devices like smartphones or tablets. But don't worry, I'll guide you on what you can do on your phone and how can you still access Roblox Studio on compatible devices. Let's dive in. Launch your preferred browser. I'm gonna open Safari. Now at the very top you'll see the search box. Over there type in roblox.com and then search for it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now what you have to do is log into your account. So go ahead and type in your credentials, username, email or the phone number and the password. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find double A icon. Click on it. Click on the option of request desktop view. And with that, you'll get access to Roblox Studio on your phone. So right now, this is how you can access Roblox Studio on mobile device. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.